Windows are essential to any home, offering natural light, ventilation, and energy efficiency while contributing to curb appeal. However, aging or damaged windows can compromise your home's comfort, security, and utility bills. For Dallas homeowners, finding cost-effective window replacement options that balance quality and affordability is crucial. This guide explores practical solutions and tips to help you enhance your home without breaking the bank. Why replace your windows? Old or inefficient windows can cause a range of problems, from drafts and higher energy bills to reduced property value. Here's why replacing your windows is a smart investment. Energy efficiency. Dallas experiences hot summers and cold winters, making energy-efficient windows a must. Modern replacement windows with insulated glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and tight seals can reduce heat transfer and lower your energy bills. Improved aesthetics. New windows enhance your home's curb appeal, increasing its overall value. With various styles and finishes, you can customize your replacement windows to match your home's design. Enhanced comfort and security. Drafty or broken windows make your home less comfortable and more vulnerable to intrusions. Replacement windows with sturdy frames and modern locking mechanisms improve security and maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Affordable window replacement options. For Dallas homeowners, there are plenty of budget-friendly window replacement options to explore. Here are the top choices to consider. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are among the most cost-effective and low-maintenance options available. They are durable, energy-efficient, and resistant to moisture and warping. Modern vinyl windows also come in various colors and finishes to suit different architectural styles. Double-pane windows. Double-pane windows feature two layers of glass with a sealed air or gas-filled space in between, providing excellent insulation. These windows are more affordable than triple-pane options but still offer significant energy savings, making them a smart choice for Dallas homes. Retrofit windows. If your window frames are still in good condition, retrofit windows allow you to replace just the glass and sashes rather than the entire frame. This approach saves on materials and labor costs, making it an economical alternative to full replacements. Aluminum windows. Aluminum windows are lightweight, durable, and often more affordable than wood or composite options. While they may not offer the same insulation as vinyl or wood, they are an excellent choice for modern and minimalist designs commonly seen in Dallas architecture. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are slightly more expensive than vinyl but offer superior durability and insulation. They can mimic the look of wood without the high maintenance costs, making them a practical and attractive choice. Tips for reducing window replacement costs. Replacing windows doesn't have to strain your budget. Consider these cost-saving strategies to get the most value for your investment. Replace windows in phases. Instead of replacing all your windows at once, focus on high-priority areas first, such as those with visible damage or poor energy efficiency. You can replace the remaining windows as your budget allows. Explore local incentives and rebates. Dallas homeowners may qualify for energy efficiency incentives or tax credits for installing windows that meet Energy Star standards. Check local utility programs for potential savings. Choose standard sizes. Custom-sized windows can be significantly more expensive than standard-sized options. If possible, choose windows that fit standard dimensions to reduce costs. Bundle services. Many window replacement companies in Dallas offer discounts for bulk installations or additional services, such as door replacements. Bundling projects can help you save money. Request multiple quotes. Shop around and request quotes from several reputable Dallas window replacement companies. Comparing prices and services ensures you get the best deal without sacrificing quality. Working with professionals. While DIY projects may seem like a cost-saving option, professional window installation is essential for long-term performance and warranty coverage. Here's why you should rely on experts. Proper fit and installation. Incorrectly installed windows can lead to drafts, leaks, and reduced energy efficiency. Professionals ensure a secure and precise fit. Warranty protection. Many manufacturers require professional installation to validate warranties. This protects your investment and ensures repairs or replacements if needed. Time and efficiency. Experienced installers complete the job quickly and correctly, saving you time and preventing costly mistakes. Conclusion. Replacing your windows is a valuable investment for Dallas homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetics. Cost-effective options like vinyl, double pane, and retrofit windows offer affordability without compromising on quality. By working with professional installers and exploring local incentives, you can upgrade your home while staying within budget. Take the first step toward a more energy efficient and visually appealing home today. With the right replacement windows, you'll enjoy reduced utility bills, enhanced comfort, and increased property value for years to come.